Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vanilla waffles, easy method. Preheat your waffle iron and whisk 1 cup flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tsp baking powder, and a pinch of salt in one bowl. In another bowl, whisk 1 egg, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons melted butter, and 1 tsp vanilla. Combine gently until mostly smooth, then let batter rest while the iron heats for crispier, fluffier waffles. Start by pacing your steps so you don't rush the batter. Use a sifter or whisk for the dry mix to avoid lumps. When combining wet and dry, stir until just combined. Small lumps are fine. Let the batter sit 5 to 10 minutes so the flour absorbs moisture and the texture lightens. Meanwhile, lightly grease your waffle iron and keep it at medium heat for even browning and crisp edges. Spoon batter into the center of the preheated iron, about 3 to 4 tablespoons for a standard waffle size, and close the lid. Cook until steam slows and the waffle is golden brown, usually 3 to 5 minutes depending on your iron. Remove carefully and keep warm in a low oven if batching. Serve hot with butter, syrup, fresh berries, or a dusting of powdered sugar for a simple, delicious breakfast everyone will enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.